So welcome back guys, this is your Satish signing in. Welcome back to my channel Golden Throttle. So today, as you saw in the title, we are unboxing the Gopro 7, which is a special bundle pack, and this is the first time I am doing an unboxing video in my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So without wasting time, we'll just unbox this new special bundle pack of Hero 7 Black. So we have got 1 year extended warranty from Creative Peripherals. You can just see here. So this is a special bundle pack. So you will also get these accessories free in Hero Gopro 7 with this pack. So guys, first you have to unscrew it. So this is the Gopro 7. So first we'll just see what are the accessories we have got. The first accessory is this tripod. You have the data cable and the charging cables. You have one additional battery along with this. You have one micro SD card of 32 GB, and you have one mount in this. So apart from that, you have some user manuals, and that's it in the box. So this is the complete set you have, which we got in the bundle pack: a camera, a charger, and a USB plug, 2 batteries. So only in the special bundle pack only you get 2 batteries, or else you'll get only one. This is a tripod, and one SanDisk memory chip of 32 GB, and one mount for your helmets. So guys, this is the action camera. So it's a special bundle pack, so whichever I unboxed now. So the review of this camera will be uploaded by the next week in a new video. So next video I'll just upload with all the features and the camera quality of it and the stabilization as well. So hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe my channel.